Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the Trakt TV activation process using a PIN code. Follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your Trakt TV account seamlessly. Step 1. Create a Trakt TV account. To begin, navigate to the Trakt TV website on your preferred web browser. If you don't already have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required details such as your email address and password, then confirm your registration. Step 2. Access the activation page. Once logged in, head over to your account settings. Look for the Settings option on your user profile, and then select Activate. This will take you to the page where you can generate your activation PIN code. Step 3. Get your activation PIN code. On the activation page, you will see an option to generate a new PIN code. Click on this option, and a unique PIN code will be displayed on your screen. This code is essential for linking your device to your Trakt account. Step 4. Open Trakt on your device. Now, grab the device you want to activate Trakt TV on, whether it's a smart TV, streaming device, or mobile app. Open the Trakt app or navigate to the Trakt TV section. Step 5. Enter your PIN code. In the Trakt app, look for the option to activate or link your account. You will find a prompt asking you to enter the PIN code. Input the PIN code you generated earlier on the Trakt website. Step 6. Confirm your activation. After entering the PIN code, confirm the action to link your device with your Trakt account. You might see a success message indicating that your device has been successfully activated. Step 7. Enjoy Trakt TV features. Now that your device is activated, you can enjoy features like tracking your watched shows, discovering new content, and managing your watch list directly from your device. That's it. You have successfully activated your Trakt TV account using a PIN code. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.